Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to start off with my brows and I'll be using Underground. All I need is 2 drops and I feel like I look less creepier if I do my brows versus in doing eyeshadows than eyebrows. And for my brows, I did take a while to manage them, not to manage them, but just to feel confident and know the basic steps because I did struggle a bit with my brows. I do wish that I had like fuller and thicker brows. Life would be so much easier. And I am using a disposable lip applicator to clean my brows. So starting off with 1 or 2 drops of vanilla, and that will be placed right on my brow bone. And I always have one rule: whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. And taking 2 drops of sienna, I'll be placing that in between my brow bone and my transitional color. And then just spraying just little by little. And drying in between too. And for my transitional color, I'll be using the color Sharan Sunset. And all I need is just 2 drops. You see how the color is starting to pick up little by little. So I have hoodie eyes, which means when I do my lids, I try to go a little bit above my eyelid. So here for my lid, I'll be using, what's it called? Desert Rose. And all I need is 2 to 3 drops. So I'm just trying to spray a little bit above my eyelid. And also taking my stencil and then just placing it on the bottom of my eyelash and just spraying just a little. I will be skipping the outer V of my eyelid and I am gonna go in with 1 drop of Lady Luck, and that's just gonna go in the inner corner of my eyes to have that little pop in my eye. And for my eyeliner, I'll be using black, the FX one, and using my stencil as well to guide myself and have that sharp line. I also could do it freehand. That's similar as grabbing a brush and then just dabbing into the black and just, smudging it out. I prefer this way with the stencil. And to create my wing effect, all I do is flip over the stencil and there you go. And all I need to do is clean it with a cotton swab. So this is sad to hear, but I'm only able to do wing eyeliner using my airbrush. I can't do it with the regular pencil. Moving on to my eyes, placing both of my eyelashes. It's incredible how we look with and without eyelashes. So this is the same black. All I'm doing is sealing them in, just taking off that black gloss from the glue. For my foundation, I'll be using 4 drops of Golden Olive and 8 drops of vanilla. So this is my naked skin without makeup. Now I do like to use medium coverage. Yes, you could do full coverage. Now it may look like I'm spraying the heck out of my face, but in reality I'm like spraying and drying, spraying and drying. So this is what half of airbrush makeup looks like on my face and half without. And it does last a long time. Even though I am oily from my T-zone, it still lasts. So when I get closer to my wing, I do tend to cover it up. I always say I can manage it and do freehand, and when I get close to a mirror, the black loses its tone color. I also cover up my brows. To bronze or contour my cheeks, I'll be using 2 drops of cocoa. And for blush, I'll be using 2 drops of Peach Beige. So it's not going to show as much because it is a lighter color. All it's going to do is mix in with the cocoa color. Colors do tend to combine. Say if I didn't have green, I would be able to mix blue and yellow to create green. And for my highlight, I'll be using 2 drops of Rose Gold. So this is a little example how my blush color mixes in with my highlight and it creates a totally different look, a rose gold. And you can never go wrong with a new lip color. So this is my final look. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye now.